Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret.
Let's start lesson 002 AutoCAD tools, drawing settings, object snap, tangent. Switch to AutoCAD. Menu tools and then drawing settings. Option object snap, tool tangent. This tool can snap tangent point of circle or arc. From menu tool you can select command drawing settings and then select card object snap. You can switch on tool tangent and then press button OK. From menu draw and then circle, choose option center radius.